Dear kids, welcome to this video. Today we discuss in this video basic multiplication question. Multiplication is very important in our life. Now start the video and understand this. 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to, if we multiply by 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to, think about this. Let's solve. 5 is the biggest number, so we write above, and 4 is the smallest number, so we write 4 below 5. 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to, before solve we write table of 5. 5 1 the 5, 5 2 the 10, 5 3 the 15, and 5 4 the 20. So 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. 20 is the correct answer.